अच्छी नहीं है ना कि सबको बार बार सुनने को अच्छी लगे, तो यू हैव टू स्पीक, नो, यू गाइस हैव अ स्वीटर वॉइस देन मी, राइट? मेरी आवाज बोल बोल के अभी पता नहीं कैसी हो गई है. सो यू गाइस हैव टू contribute with your sweet voice and make it more lively, otherwise मैं भी सो जाऊंगी खुद का आवाज सुनकर. तो we are going to continue with all from 9 and last from 10 method. Okay, just a recap. We need to use, what do we need? We need to use the complement of complements of 9 and 10. What does that mean? 1 plus 8 is, before 1 plus 8 we have to have a 0 plus 9, 1 plus 8, 2 plus 7, 3 plus 6 and 4 plus 5. This is combination of 9, and we have 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6 and 5 plus 5. So this is the combination which we use. I hope all of you remember this. And how do we use them? For example, if we have 6000 minus 243, or if we have, let us take one more example. If we have 1 lakh minus 3968. Suppose we are doing this subtractions, then what we will do, we will simply 1 less than 6 is 5. For these two numbers, we look a combination of 9. So 2 plus 7 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. And the last combination we look for 10, which is going to be 7. So this is your answer. 1 less than the one above is 0. Because there is no digit here, we put a 0. 0 plus 9, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 0, 6 plus 3. If you're not realizing this, and 8 plus 2. So then this becomes your answer. This is what we did the last week, correct? Now, what are we going to do this week? Look at this. Today, we are going to do sums like, suppose we have 8000 minus 4263. Did we do this last week? No. Okay.
No.
So what we are going to do is, I'm going to write this big so that we can understand what we are doing. 8000 minus 4263. What we do here, we do the same thing. Our understanding has to be same. This is the last digit. This is the first digit. In Vedic maths, we always start our answers from the left. These things should be fixed in your mind. You are not going to change them. Now starts the subtraction. In the first subtraction, if it is 4, you will subtract the next digit. What comes after 4? 5. So actually, instead of 4, you will subtract 5 from here. 8 minus 5 will give you 3. And rest all, you will do the same thing. 2 plus 7 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 3 plus last is 10. No, last digit from 10. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So this is your answer. How many got this? Okay, I'm going to do one more sum. Pay attention, okay? Let's do one more sum. Let's say we have 6,000 or maybe 60,000 minus 26483. Correct? Now it is 2. So you will minus the next digit. Next, 6 minus 3. If it is 2 in your mind, you should know it is 3. So 6 minus 3, it is not 3. In your mind, you will think that you're going to consider this number as 3. So 6 minus 3, you will get a 3. And the rest, these combinations, you are going to look for a combination of 9. That is going to be 6 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 8 plus 1. And this last digit is 10. Last digit is 10. So 3 plus 7 is going to be 10. कोई काट कूट कुछ भी नहीं करने का. Nothing. Getting it? Everything
I
looks.
just didn't understand.
Who
Like,
is this?
what?
Lisa. Okay.
I didn't understand why do we take instead of 2, 3. I didn't understand that
Pay
part.
attention. I will do this sum with the carryover method, okay, that you do in the school. Suppose this is 60,000 minus 26483. Now, in the school method, you will actually cut this out, correct? 5. And you will carry this over. So 5 minus 2 will also give you a 3, no?
Yeah.
So instead of cutting and carrying, we just increase this by 1 because we don't want to cut. अगर हमको cut करना है तो फिर problem नहीं है, लेकिन हमको cut नहीं करना है ना. We are not doing any cancellations. We are trying to do it everything mentally. We are training our brain. See, first thing you need to understand, everybody, that we are actually changing the way we are thinking about maths. Correct? We want to do maths. We want to get the correct answer with minimum calculation and maximum using only our mind. We want to look at the numbers and we want to subtract. Now, with this method, that is not possible. This method will never support you to do this completely mentally. You will have to write this on the piece of paper. But the Vedic method helps you to look at the number, do some minimum adjustments, which will suit the sum any which way, and continue it mentally. Are you getting it? So instead of cancelling this 1 here, we are just going to add a 1 because that is, because if you cancel this 1, you will have again, you will cut this 9, again cut 9, again cut 9, again 1. I mean, do you think this is possible mentally? To imagine to do this mentally, it looks difficult. Now, if I write this sum like, suppose 5,000 minus 2263, you can do this like mentally, right? 5 minus 3, 2, 7, 3, 7. Are you getting it? So, see, we are changing our mind. We are changing our perception about maths. We are changing about our thinking about maths to suit it to be done mentally. You know, it should be so easy. Merely by looking at the number, your answer should come out. And nobody should know what abracadabra you're doing with the numbers. Are you getting what I'm saying? That's the whole game here. See, that magician who shows the magic, abracadabra, abracadabra, he knows, no, he has a rabbit inside the bag. He knows he has flowers inside. He knows all that. He doesn't know. He knows it. But his bag has 2 sections. Correct? He will open one section and he will show you it is empty. And while removing, he will remove from the other section. So we don't know what he is doing actually. Exactly when we are doing maths and when we are calculating, when we are in public, when we are doing it in the school, when we are using it for our competition anywhere, we have to do it equally magically. You should just go on writing. For that, we have to make the method easy. Are you getting it, Risa? We are practically doing the same thing that we are doing in school. But what we are doing is, see, in the school also we have to reach the answer. Correct? Lekin school mein na, we go, we climb, then we fall again, then we again climb, then again fall, then again climb, then again fall, then again climb, then again fall. It is easy. It is difficult, no? We give you a step here, which is a step like Vedic maths. Let us make it properly because it is Vedic maths, no? Okay. Then you can climb it, right? Easily. You will not even fall once. This is where we want to reach. Right now, we are looking at a method which is not wrong, but which is little difficult or which is little more complicated in terms of doing it mentally. We are trying to do a method which is mentally. Vedic maths is that method which will help you to do the sums completely mentally. Are you getting it? Okay. So coming back to this concept, have you all understood what I did here? Is there anybody who did not understand? Swara? Okay, who is there? Who else? Where is Priyanshi? Where is Priyanshi? Priyanshi is not there, no? Tia, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Yadnesh, Risa, everybody understood? Okay, good. All right, so I'll give you all some sums here. Priyanshi and Anushri both are not there in the batch. Where are they? Okay. All right. So let's do some sums here. Yes, Yadnesh, you have to write it. You have to do them in the book.
Miss, the third one, it is 70,000, right?
Yes, it is 70,000. This method is very useful when you are doing or when you are working on money value sums. You understand what is the meaning of money value sums? Like somebody gave me 200 rupees and I purchased something for 132 rupees. Then this kind of methods are very quick.
Can you just explain the first one?
First one. Okay. This is 1. What will you subtract instead of 1? 2. Correct. 8 minus 2? 6. Rest you do the same thing that we did before.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So for even in the sixth one, it is 5 and 1. So we take it 5 minus 2.
2. Yes, you're right. Whatever is the number, you will subtract the next. So we will start with Tia, Swara, Yadnesh, fatafat, you have to give the answers. Okay, Risa, I think only 4 of you are there today. Others have not been able to make it for the class. They have disconnected. All right. Let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tia.
The first answer is 6157.
6157. Swara,
Ma'am, the second answer is 3537.
3537. Okay, Yadnesh. He has sent me it in chat because his mic is not working. I'm writing what he's written. Check your answers. 25656. Okay. Risa,
27159.
27159 is absolutely correct answer. Tia,
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 167894.
167894. Amazing. Okay. Swara,
387
yes.
887.
887. All right. Now, just to know whether you have understood the method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the next page and I'm going to give you the sum and you have to look at the board and quickly answer it. Okay. So I'll start this from Risa. Just look at the board. Start answering the question. Okay. The moment I finish, you will start answering. Okay. All right. We start with Risa. Risa,
You
your
don't have
answer.
to write them down, right?
No. Just look at the screen. So I need to know whether you are able to get it and you have to do it because this is nothing difficult. You can easily do it. So that's 30,000 minus 13462. Risa, your answer to this question quickly.
The answer will be 1, sorry, 1, 6, 5, 3, 8.
Very good. Okay. Next is Tia. Tia, your question is 50,000 minus 28283. Quickly start.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 2, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7.
Very good. Correct. All right. Now we have Swara. Swara, your question is 8,05,32,864. Swara, your answer to this question quickly.
Yes, ma'am. 26,
Yes.
267,
Yes.
1, 3, and 6.
Very good. Wonderful. Yadnesh, question for you. There is nobody else apart from Yadnesh. Okay. Yadnesh, your question. Say 9 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 7277734. Yadnesh, your answer to the question quickly. Yeah, 872266 is what he's answered. 87, you got it? Yadnesh, is that your answer? 872266. How did you get 8 here, my dear? You have to subtract 8.
Yes, it will come 1.
This is 1. Because 9 minus 8, you wrote an 8 here. It has to be 9 minus 8. No, that's okay. You understood where you went wrong? Okay. Okay, next time you take care of it. I'm going to share the screen right now from the textbook
Yes.
that you have. Yes, Priyanshi,
Priyanshi
yes, welcome.
came.
Yes. Priyanshi, we had a small run up with the sums. Were you there when oh, she'll get disconnected. Okay, I'm sharing the screen right now where we have the sums in your textbook. If you do not have the textbook, you can refer to the screen. If you have the textbook, you can refer to your textbook. If you have taken a printout, you can do the sums directly there in the textbook. Okay, so these are your sums, very few sums, because this is a method that we already know now. We have practiced some sums there. I want all of you all to do these sums. Can you all start doing this, please?
Ma'am,
I'm going to write it down. Yes, Yadnesh, can you please help me with help with your answer. Can you help us answer the first question? I'm writing the answer that he gave here. He said it is 4966. So let's see. 8 minus 4 is going to be 4 and then 966. Yes, the answer is right. Can I have Tia? Can you please answer the second question?
The 5,000 minus 3124.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 1886.
1 8. Sorry, can you repeat?
86.
1886.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This answer is not correct because this is 8. It has to be a 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting it? Tia, please correct your mistake. Priyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
will you be able to help us with this question?
Ma'am, can I solve and tell you?
No problem. If you have understood the method, you can just tell me on the board itself.
I'm just trying.
Okay. Okay, till that time, you try and let us know the answer. This is for you. I have kept the sum for you, Priyanshi. Swara, can you give me the answer for this question? The one 800 minus 213.
800 minus 213, 587. 587.
Yes, Swara.
Ma'am, the answer is 587.
587. Yes, absolutely correct answer. Risa, can you answer 9,000 minus 5482? Are you there?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, Priyanshi.
Ma'am, it's 0333.
33, no, the last is from 10, so 4.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Risa is there or no? Risa is not there. Okay, Yadnesh, can you send the answer for 9,000 minus 5482? He's written 3518. Let's check his answer. 3518. Okay, that's 9 minus, yes, 3518. Yes, that's the correct answer. Very good. Okay, Tia, can you answer 300 minus 194?
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 106.
Tia, please answer.
Ma'am, 106.
106. Okay. Next, who is there? Very less people. Swara,
Yes.
can you answer 700 minus 567 quickly?
Yes, 133.
133. Priyanshi, can you answer 5,000 minus 756? Oh, let's add one number here, 1. So let's make it 5,000 minus 1756. Because the sum doesn't suit the category that we are doing, so we will change the sum. 5,000 minus 1756. Quickly, all of you change the sum there because it's in only 2 minutes it will take. Hi, Anushri.
Hello, miss.
Yes, dear. Okay, come on. Anybody answering or should I write the answer for this question?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please go ahead. Hello.
3244.
Huh? 3, 2,
324.
4, 4. That's the correct answer. Very good, guys. You've done an amazing job. So I hope all of you got this. As you practice more, you will get it. Okay. So anybody has a doubt in this? Anybody has any doubt in understanding what we did today? Because then we are going to go to the next lesson today. We are going to start with the next lesson today. But before that, I want to know, is there anybody who has a doubt in what we did today? I hope not, right? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I just didn't understand. I got that sum wrong. The 7 sum 300 minus 194.
300 minus 194, because it is 3 minus 2 will give you a 1. If it is a 0, so this is 9 already. If it is a 9, you get a 0, and 4 lasts from 10, so you get a 6.
Oh, okay.
Got it? Okay. So today we are going to start with the next chapter or the next lesson, so to say, which is going to be again so easy for us because, one second. Yeah. Which the lesson is so easy. I mean, addition is something all of you have done, right, before? Okay, one more thing before I forget. If you check your textbook, I'm going to share the page once again because I wanted to. Yeah. There is a set of sums here. Can you see this? This is exercise 2.4 in the textbook that we are doing. It's a mixed bag. This is homework. Mixed bag, page number 25. Mixed bag. It's a mixed bag, sums, all the sums together. Correct? All of you will do this before tomorrow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Yeah. Yadnesh, I will send you the copy of the book. Yadnesh is not there again. All right. So let's start with the next lesson. I'm going to stop this sharing. All right. So today we are going to start with next lesson. See, addition is something which we have all done. Addition is something that we have seen right from the first time that we enter school. When you go to UKG, they teach you, right? 2 plus 4, count. Then you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You do that. The first thing that you do in school is addition. When you go to UKG, they will give you 2 apples. They will give you another 4 apples, another 10 apples, and then they will ask you to count, correct? Every time we have learned how to add on our fingers, correct? We always learn to add on our fingers. But there is a very easy technique to add without using fingers, just merely by looking at the number from left to right. Even if it is a carry forward, you can add. We will start this with very, very simple sums. I mean, very easy ones. But before that, let's do the logic here. Let's understand the logic. Okay. See, the name of the lesson is 10-point circle. So we are going to add with the help of the 10-point on the circle that we are going to see right now. What is this 10-point circle? So suppose this is a circle. Okay. And let's write down 10 points on the circle. Say, we'll start with a 0. Exactly like a clock, below the 0, we will write down 5. Don't write 6 because this is not a clock. Between 0 and 5, we will fit 1 to 4. So that is equidistant. Try the 2, 3, and 4. Keep the distance equal. 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, just imagine I want to join these lines. And for this one, I'm going to keep a spot. For 5, there's a spot. Just see what is happening here, people.
And what's up 0?
Nothing. 0 doesn't have a partner. 0 is alone. Look at what we have here. If you add all these numbers, What do
Yeah,
you
they
get?
all make 10.
10. They all make a 10. Okay. So like we saw the complement of 10, we have 9 plus 1 is 10. We have 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. And 5 plus 5, 10. 5 का partner खुद 5 होता है. 5 is a self-dependent number. Now, how to use this combination in our addition? Before I go ahead, let me ask you, isn't it easy to add any number with 10? Like if I say 10 plus 4, I'm sure everybody knows this is 14, correct? It is easy to add any number with 10, right? So if I say 10 plus 13, do we know it is 23?
Yes.
Yeah, this is very easy, right? I hope everybody is getting what I'm saying, correct? If I say 10 plus 25, then answer will be 25, meaning it will just be 35.
35.
One more. So basically what I mean to say is that to add any number with 10 is actually extremely easy. It is not at all difficult. We are going to take advantage of this concept here. And we will see how easy it will be for us to add numbers when we know that it is going to make a 10. To begin with, we will start from right to left, but then gradually we are going to again start our additions from left to right. But before that, because we have been doing it right to left from the beginning, we don't want to change the method suddenly. We will come there. So let's say if I give you 6 plus 23 plus 17 plus 114 plus 8 plus 12. Now what you're going to do here, the only thing you will do is you look for a combination of 10. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 4 is also 10. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. Correct? Getting it? Now it is easy. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you getting it? You're not even using your finger once. You getting what I'm saying or no, everybody? Okay, let us take one more example here. Suppose we have 56 plus 22 plus 14 plus 9 plus 18 plus 21 plus 6. Now in the school, this will take a long time for you to add, maybe, correct? You start from 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7, 7 in the mind, 8 on the fingers, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You will do all of that. What we are going to do here, simply let us find out the combinations of 10 there. So let's start. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then look at 2. Do you see a 8? Yes. 8 plus 2 is 10. Look at 9. Okay, this is 10. 30. 30 plus 6? What is 30 plus 6? 36. Correct. This is easy, no? Right? Now 5 plus 3. Now here also there is a 10 actually. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. This is also a 10. Look for 10. 10 plus 2, 12, 13, 14. Are you getting what I'm doing, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. I want all of you, you take any, whatever you want, a bangle, a lid, anything. Draw a circle and try to do this. Or maybe even if you have the geometrical thing that you draw the circle with, you can use that and try to find out and try to draw a circle and do this 10-point circle there in your notebook.
Ma'am, I didn't draw the perfect circle, but I tried to do it freehand.
No problem. As far as you can do a perfect, not as far as it looks like, I mean, I hope you don't mind, but
No, it looks like a circle.
ऐसे don't do all this, okay? Don't do all this. ऐसे potato लगता है ना ये circle तो लगता ही नहीं. हाँ, almost. Let it little, yes, very good, Swara. So very almost a circle. At least let us justify that it is a circle.
In the third question.
Yes, who had a doubt?
I had a doubt in the third question. Miss,
Third
I have
question.
taken it 7 and 3, 9
Okay.
and 1, 8, 8 and 2, 8
Yeah.
and 2. Then
So
afterwards, the
10,
5
no?
is just pending.
That's
So we
okay.
can
Leave it like
directly
that.
write. We can
Yeah, you
directly
can.
write the 5.
Yeah. So this is, you have 3 combination. That means now you already have a 30, correct?
Yes, miss.
30 plus 5.
35.
That's the answer.
Miss, the
I
second
can.
answer is 32.
Yes, let's write the combinations here. I'm going to write the combination. Check your combinations. So that's
Yes.
this. Then you have 9 plus 1. And then you have 5 plus 3, 8 and 2, 10. So that is 30. Okay. 6 plus 4. Then 5 plus 5. Then 7 plus 3. So this is 30 and this 2, 32. Okay. 8 plus 2. 7 plus 3. 6 plus 4. No, sorry. 6 plus 4. Now here we have 2 more digits. Look at this. 6 plus 4. So we have a 30, correct? 30 plus 9, 39. 39. You take 1 from your 40 and 45 will be your answer. Okay. 8 plus 2. Okay, 5. We don't have a match right now. Yeah, we have a match. Sorry. 5 plus 5. 7 plus 3. 6 plus 4. So 40, correct? Because this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. So we have 40 and remaining 9. Answer would be 49. Have we got it? Understood, everybody? Am I wrong anywhere? I hope everybody got it. Yeah?
Yes.
Now, in your textbook, there is this page. Okay? I want you all to fill this with the combination of 3 digit of 10. The rule here is, like I wrote here, 7 plus 2 plus 1 is a 10. Now, you will next time, you cannot use the combination like 2 plus 7 plus 1. No, not allowed. The combination of number can be taken only once, whichever number comes first. So if 7, 2 and 1 combination has already been taken, you cannot use it again. Can you all try to find out which are the remaining combinations on tens?
Miss, do
Miss,
we
I
have to
have
do it
got
right now?
one.
No,
Miss,
you
I
have to
have
write
got
it down.
one.
Write it down. Write all of you. I need all of you to write down all the combinations. There are total 8 combinations. Please write down all the 8 combinations possibly. I have written one. So you are left with the remaining.
Miss, on the screen.
No, you can do it in the notebook. It should be written there. Risa, how are you writing it? Have you taken the printout of the textbook? Then please write it in the notebook. Maintain a notebook. If anything goes wrong with your laptop, you will never be able to get your data again. Please maintain a notebook. If you would have gone to the school, you would have written the answers, right? So why are we not doing that right now? Let's use the notebook. That is the best way to practice.